Hey everyone, welcome to a new episode. We have a special guest today. We have Rafael from Wealthy Expat. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. We're in Dubai.
We are. Really happy to be here on the channel. I've been following you for years and I love your community, what you do, so really happy to talk here.
Awesome. Yeah, so we're diving into a little bit of the other side of what Toby and I focus on, talking about second citizenships, residencies, living abroad basically. So you're an expert in Dubai, more or less, and so you help people launch businesses, get residency. You're also familiar with cryptocurrencies, which is great. And Dubai is like kind of a growing spot. Definitely in all the crypto media, Dubai is like at least in one article a day. And today it was that Binance got their FSP license in Abu Dhabi. So in your opinion, how do you see crypto developing in Dubai and what's it like here?
I see it growing every single year, every single month. More crypto people are coming here. Crypto licenses are getting issued. More crypto exchanges are moving here. And it's completely tax-free at the personal level and capital gains and company taxes if you structure it properly. So whatever you do in crypto, you can change it for this, for that, hold it for whatever long you want. It's all going to be tax-free. So you can really, the government truly doesn't care about your crypto, and most high-level government officials don't even understand crypto. So they're not even going to tell you anything about it. The communities here about crypto, there's always developers popping up, there's always people coming here. You can cash out crypto extremely easily for cash, to a bank account, to anything you like. So if you are a crypto person, you're holding crypto, you're gonna find crypto communities, people interested in it, ways to use your crypto, ways to transfer your crypto. You can buy property in crypto, so it's definitely one of the best places in the world. When people say crypto friendly, that can mean a ton of things.
Sure.
But if you just want a place where you are a crypto investor and you don't want the government or anybody to annoy you or to put any hassle in your life because of crypto, Dubai is definitely the place.
So yeah, the crypto friendliness, that obviously the next step, okay, government, okay, but what about the banking industry? Because those aren't always on the same page. I know that there's, just like a lot of other countries, there's talk of CBDC coming out for Dubai. Maybe that will run in line with more clarity of how they feel about cryptocurrencies. So do you have any insight on that?
I can't talk too much on that. I'm a foreigner in this country. I'm not a citizen or anything. So at any point they can kick me out if I say the wrong thing. What I will say is it's extremely crypto friendly, but there is separation between the government, the media, and the banks. The banks are very traditional. And most of these banks, they were funded with oil money and they're worth trillions of dollars. They don't care about your 100 Bitcoin, really. So when you go to the bank and you say, oh, I'm going to cash out a bunch of Bitcoin, a bunch of crypto, they say, yeah, we don't want to really touch that. We prefer the guy that is selling jewelry for the last 100 years. That's the client that we prefer. So if you are just doing crypto, only a crypto investor, or you're creating a crypto project, you will have problems with the banks. If you negotiate, if you know the right people, obviously that's what we help people with, navigate the city here. But if you don't know the right people, you just go to a random bank, most likely you will be disapproved. That's pretty much all I can say about the banks here.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll get more clarity on that and they'll see the light of
and with CBDCs, there hasn't been that much talk about it, to be honest. Dubai is more focused on just attracting a ton of money. They're not really focused on creating the CBDC, like for example Canada or Australia, other countries. They're looking to truly control that, tax it very efficiently. Dubai and overall the UAE as a country is not really focused on that. I maybe see it in 2025 later on, maybe some more news coming from there.
Okay, interesting. So we'll keep an eye on that for Dubai. So yeah, going back to like the crypto community, what is it like here for activities with crypto? Is there a lot of events? Is there meetups?
A lot of meetups, constant events, expos. The crypto expo was a couple of weeks ago. There's another crypto expo. Metaverse Expo. ZC was in Abu Dhabi yesterday doing a talk, and a bunch of people were here. So definitely for crypto, if you're into crypto, you like it, you want to discover new projects, you want to meet people into it, you want to meet influencers, this is the place to be. Here and other places like Singapore, where they constantly have events about crypto and so on, I would say definitely a place to be.
Cool. And yeah, it's a pretty cool city to check out. Super safe.
Yeah.
For me, it's a different change of pace from Portugal. Obviously, Dubai is very different, but yeah, I quite like it. So anyway, thanks for letting us know what it's like for crypto life in Dubai. Next up, we're going to do other videos talking about why you might want to launch a business in Dubai and also what that process is like. So if you guys are interested, hit like and subscribe. And check out Wealthy Expat on YouTube as well. He's got a YouTube channel, super knowledgeable on a lot of different countries too, not just Dubai, other citizenship options. So yeah, check him out if you want to learn more.
Definitely.
Bye guys.
Thank you.